it's time to 86 the fat. With us today is Peggy from Babe's Night Out, and we're going to be doing some sort of curry something with scallops?
Yes, we're going to do a curry scalloped.
Okay, I got it right. Excellent. I see a lot of great ingredients. How does this work?
Well, what we have here is mustard seed. We have curry powder, and we have coriander, and we also have some cayenne pepper if you like spicy, and a little bit of salt. So what we first do is we take our pan, because we want to dry roast the herbs.
So dry roast instead of...
Yeah, it's called dry roast, and we do it in the pan with absolutely no oil, nothing
Okay.
at all. So we pre-measured this. We put the mustard seed in there. We want to put in the teaspoon of curry. We want some coriander as well.
That'll give it some nice flavor.
And then we're just going to do a pinch right now to start. This is a teaspoon. We just want to put a little bit of cayenne. I like to have more than most people. Now we're going to roast it.
If you don't mind, I'm going to add a little bit more cayenne.
Oh, go right ahead.
Yeah,
I
I'm a
love
big fan.
cayenne. Oh my
Big
God.
fan of the spice there.
Oh, you're going to put some more cayenne pepper in there, are you?
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah, you sure are a spicy one, I got to say. Anyway, we're going to keep roasting this, and then I need to get the garlic chopped. I need to call my daughter,
Garlic.
Mackenzie.
You don't trust me with sharp objects?
I think my daughter should do that. She's really good at it.
Okay, bring her in.
Okay, Mackenzie.
Hey.
Hey, honey, how are you? Listen, we're gonna need a little garlic. We're gonna use this for the curry. So can you chop that up for us?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
And then what can we do in the meantime? while
Okay,
she
what we're
gets
gonna do
that
is we're
going?
gonna add some coconut oil over here. Can you
Okay,
pass that to me,
there you
please?
go.
Thank you. And we're gonna get that going. We'll get a little heat going.
I'm assuming we'll actually be cooking these at some point, so I'm going to bring the scallops with
Okay,
me.
sure, thank you. We're gonna wait till Mackenzie cuts the garlic, and we're gonna saute that to start. And then we're gonna add the scallops, and we're gonna
Okay.
put that in there. Then we'll add everything else after we've done that. So we put a little bit of this, which would be about a tablespoon and a half of coconut oil. Okay, so we'll heat that up. As we're still roasting, can you see that? Can you smell that?
Oh, yeah, I can smell
you
it
see
all
that
right.
smoke?
You probably smell that at home, I would imagine.
Yeah.
It's
Can you
pretty
smell
strong.
that, Mackenzie?
I smell it.
This is one of Mackenzie's favorite dishes. All right, so we got this pretty roasted now. It's time to get the garlic to add to our pan that has some coconut oil in it.
How's that chopping coming along?
It's going great.
Well, if you can see here, we've got this nice and melted, ready to go. All we need is the garlic.
How's the chopping of the garlic?
I'd say it's not ready to go in.
Okay.
All right,
there
let's
we
do
go.
this. It smells good, Mackenzie.
Let's try not to spill it here.
All right, so we're gonna saute this for a little bit.
There we go.
Keep it on high. All right, so we're gonna do that. And then once we get that going in a little bit, we're gonna add the scallops.
I was premature with my scallops, apparently.
Really? All right. You see that, Mackenzie? See how that is?
I smell it. That
smells
smells
really
great.
Okay, so let's do this. Let's say about all nice and good. Okay, let's throw the scallops in there.
Toss these in, just...
Yeah, go
okay.
ahead. I'm gonna do this. Stir that. Would you like to stir that around, Mackenzie? Sure. You like it in the kitchen. There you go. So while she's doing that, we've got these roasted herbs, and we're gonna grab for our coconut milk here. I'm gonna keep the pan going, putting up the heat. We're gonna add this into here while she's sauteing the scallops, and we're gonna make ourselves a nice little cream sauce. And we'll keep stirring that. We'll add a little bit by little. Oh, that smells
Now
delicious.
it's getting there.
Yeah, you see that? Isn't that great?
Now we're getting somewhere.
Well, this is looking good. Let me see how you're doing. Ooh, that's delicious. Look at that.
It's like goldening up.
So what are you gonna do? Eat this after we're done?
What do you think?
Of course you are. It's your favorite dish. One of your favorites. So as we're doing this, look at this, Mackenzie. Well, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of salt with that.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Pinch of salt here and a pinch of salt there. Just
Look
a
how
pinch.
gold they're turning.
Oh, I like that. That looks good. Smells delicious. Oh my goodness, can't wait to taste this. Delicious. How about a little bit more of the coconut milk?
Coconut milk coming
Okay,
up.
Thank you very much.
Can you put that in there?
Yeah, and then we're gonna get ready to put it all together. Once we have all these coconut milk in here, Look at how creamy that is.
I'm so hungry.
Well, are you ready to eat a little bit of this?
Yeah, is that going in there now?
Okay, here we go. Cook it up a little bit, make a little creamy sauce.
There we go.
Yummy. Okay, all we do is add the rest of this beautiful sauce to the scallops.
I have some quinoa here. Now what?
Oh, of course you're hungry. I can see that right now.
I brought my spoon.
Oh, big spoon. You can eat with that too? You like your big spoon, don't you? Okay, we're gonna try. Who wants to try this first, honestly?
I do.
Oh, really?
Can I?
Of course you can.
All right.
All right, let's get a little of that juice there.
Ooh.
That look good. Oh my God, we're gonna have you have a taste test on this one.
Yeah, just throw it all on there.
Grab yourself a fork there, Mackenzie.
Where are the forks?
Where are they usually? All right.
There they go. I was wondering where those were. This whole time I've been eating with my hands.
Oh my
Really?
God. Hands came before forks.
Better than me.
Okay. Go ahead. Let's see what you think.
Should I grab the scallop of the quinoa? Cut it.
Yeah.
Mm.
Just like you normally do. Yeah, there we go.
It's hot.
And I don't get to eat.
Ooh.
Eat it already. I can't handle the suspense.
Ooh.
Well, how is it?
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Now she's showing off.
Do you want to share that?
It's so good.
Would you like a bite?
Of course I would.
Mmm. That extra cayenne pepper.
Is it
hits
too
the
much?
spot. No,
Too much?
it's perfect.
Let's see. You go
I'll
ahead.
give it a try.
I'll give you the honors. Then I'm gonna
See
try it
here.
next.
Oh, sorry. A little bit of that action there. Some
Oh God, that
quinoa.
smells so good. Let me try that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Isn't that too hot?
To make curried scallops, there are a few things you're going to need. Mustard seed, coriander, cayenne pepper, salt, scallops of course, as well as curry. With those both being in the title, you'll obviously need both of those. You'll also need garlic cloves, coconut oil, and coconut milk. And once you make this, you're going to lay it on a bed of quinoa.